Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you today. I hope you are doing well. And today I've got a brand new box, and it's a one-time box that I'm getting because it is a special edition box. It is, and my ears may give you a hint, it is the Cat Lady box, and this is a $39.99 box plus shipping. I think plus shipping. I can't remember if they're shipping or not. And there are cat lady items in here, and because this is October's box, its theme is black cats, and I happen to have two black cats that I love very much. So we will be looking in here and seeing what it is. I know there's a t-shirt in. I picked out the design. There's gonna be a couple cat toys and then some other things I just don't know about. So it's very exciting. My friend Brenda Hip has been talking about the Cat Lady box for a long time, and she's a big fan of it. And she even gifted me some things from the Cat Lady box, shop. And I really enjoyed them. So I can't wait to see what's in here. I love cats and stuff with cats, but I am not a person who wants to have everything cats. But I was like, black cat themed. Sign me up. Hey, cut it out, Jesse. Jesse, stop it. He's trying to put paper in his litter box. Jesse, stop it. Just 1 second. So sorry, I don't edit, so... But there is no way that I could handle all that going on. He likes to cover up everything in the box. And like he'll drag in things from outside the box to cover up the things that are inside the box. Oh! It's starting out super cute. Look at this card! I love it. Look at that card. I want to save that card and put it in a picture frame because it's so freaking cute. Oh my god. It's a little bent, but that's adorable. Halloween! And it says Cat Lady box with a sticker. Let's see if I can get it balanced here. And it's got a list of everything in here and how much it cost. And this is the Black Cats box for October 2020. And let's get in here. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started in here. I'm fond of that song. The first thing I see is a little pouch within a pouch. And this has Cat Lady items, and I got it the bigger box with also cat toys. So the cats will get toys and I will get presents that are related to black cats. And this says, it's embossed, it says Cat Lady. Oh, it's a little bracelet. Oh, with a little cat on it. That is super cute. It's definitely too small for my wrist, but it's super cute. So we get a little bracelet with a cat on it. Very cool. The next thing I see, oh, is a cat toy. And it's a cat in a little unicorn outfit. It's a little kid, it's a little black cat in a unicorn outfit. That's adorable. There's cats in here, so I'm gonna look at that. Here you go, kitties. All the cats are in here. There's a toy. Oh, here's another little toy. It's a little black pumpkin. Here, kitties, there's another toy. So I think that was the two cat toys. Next up, I don't think I need my scissors anymore, is the t-shirt, and I got to choose the size and the style. And see how cute that is? Little cat walking under a cool lamp. It's very 60s and retro vibe, and it's gonna look super cute on me. And there is like 4 designs you could choose. I figured I could wear this one all year round. So I really like my t-shirt. Well, let me tell you how much this stuff costs. Okay, That's the Peeping Cat shirt for exclusive by the Cat Lady box. How cute is that kitty in the window? Take a peek. It allows the cats with 1 of 4 different window designs. Super soft tee, which it is, provides an easy layer in transitional weather. Just add a cardigan and cat hair. Retail $21.99, which is not bad for a t-shirt. The black cat cuff bracelet, exclusive by Cat Lady box. The perfect everyday jewelry, both pretty, understated. This black cat cuff features a simple kitty face in modern shiny finish, nickel and lead free. Pearlies remove when showering, and that is a $19.99 value. The Cat-O-Lantern Catnip Toy, which was super cute. Brave and scaredy cats alike will drool for this cute Cat-O-Lantern stuffed with ultra premium catnip. This fun pumpkin is sure to be a Meowaline hit, $4.99. The Unicorn Catnip Toy was $6.99. And Wolfie right now is going crazy for the unicorn toy. So that's super cute. And the featured cat lady artist is Kaylee Hicks. And I think she's the one who did this card that I like so much. And she is a self-proclaimed cat lady and artist based in Central Florida. She's currently a senior graphic designer with Disney Creative Group, creating merchandise sold at each of the Disney parks and outside work. She loves creating art that continues her interest in the cute and creepy. Each new piece of art celebrates her favorite piece of folklore, cryptid cutie, forest friend, and haunted location. And she's got an Etsy shop that is called There Will Be Cute. So you can go to our shop called There Will Be Cute. And then there's more things in here. I am excited to see what this is. We'll get these other things out of the box. So I can put the box down. And I think I read about what this is. And this is the squishy black cat pillow, which I love pillows. And I have a Halloween black cat pillow right now in my living room. There you go, Kitty's plastic bag. Oh, it's got a tail. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, it's so soft and so squishy. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, it's so squishy and soft. That's gonna go on the couch. That's super cute. And it says, the squishy black cat pillow, exclusive by Cat Lady box. Squishy soft black cat pillow is the perfect huggable decor for your couch or bed. Cuddle up with a super adorable kitty for instant happy. Retail value $22.99. Very cool. Put that down for now. And then I got 2 sets of cat ears, and I chose silver. I think the other one was gold. And these look very nice. And, you know, I do love wearing cat ears. I haven't been wearing them as much as I was. But these are like nice, heavy doodle. I'm a Yankee Doodle dandy. Yankee Doodle do or die. I'm a mess. Anyway, but these are nice, like very sturdy metal. I don't know if they're going to be comfortable or not, because it's just like metal. And then I will be giving away these cat ears in a future giveaway, because I don't need more than 1 set of silver ears, but they're beautiful. They are lovely. And I will put them with the rest of my ears back here safely. And let's add up the value of this box. And like I said, it was like $39.99. I can't remember. Or maybe it was more. It was around 40 bucks. And it was 22, I'm just going to say 23 for the pillow, 22 for the shirt. The Deco cat ears or bonus, and that is $12. The Catnip Toy was $5. The unicorn Catnip Toy was $7. And the total is $69. So that is pretty good for this box. And I'm real happy with the things I got. I'm not going to be getting Cat Lady all the time because I don't need a whole lot of Cat Lady stuff, because I've got plenty. I'm real specific about the cat stuff I like. But I really want to put this in a little frame because it's so dang cute. I'll have to put that somewhere safe. I hope you guys have enjoyed me unboxing my first ever Cat Lady box. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.